Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start off with our little mocktails. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have the recipe listed down in the description box.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. 'Cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close. Baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right.
Okay, it's time to taste it. It looks so good. It smells amazing. If you did it the way I did it, because I did it not exactly like the recipe. Let's see. Yeah, this is really good. This is really good. If this had alcohol in it, it would be really good. So you guys, I have basically been going to Whole Foods like almost every week, and I kind of get the meal prep that they have. So I'm gonna finish up on the meal prep that I have today since it's already pre-prepped. So we're gonna have salmon, green bean, and sweet potato. So I'm gonna have that. I already preheated the oven, so we're just gonna put that in, and you guys are gonna see it's super fire. I put a little bit of balsamic vinegar on mine because I just, y'all, have a problem with doing whatever I want to do. So this is how I live my life. The rules don't matter to me. I literally just like do whatever I want to do within lines and means, but you know what I'm saying. So I am gonna do that, and you guys can here to join me. I actually just got back from the store and we went to Target, and let me show you guys what I got from Target just now because it's really, really cute. It's 2 little pump bottles. They're not clean yet. To go clean them, but I plan on I don't know if I don't think I want labels anymore. I'm kind of over labels. I like for things to look like just clean, nothing right there. So we'll probably put like the vanilla. I use vanilla a lot, and then probably like a caramel. And these pumps are so cute. They were $3 each. I'm just like, what? They have them in pink too, but my vibe in here is not pink, so that would throw it off. But the vibe in here is like black, white, and gold. But I thought these were so cute, y'all. And then I put my matcha in this like cute little jar. I thought this was really cute. So like a little bite to eat. I actually had a little bite to eat at Wendy's, and I regret eating fast food every time I eat it. Like I eat it and I'm just like, why did I do that? Like, what did you do that for? Okay. So, but everything, and also everything that I have on right now is going to be linked down below. And I got this top and bottom from SHEIN. I really love pink. This is like my little cute little fit that I always wear. We'll have different shades of pink, but I love this. And I got these glasses from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. These glasses come in different colors. I wear them with different outfits. I have like red, beige, black, different colors. It's so crazy. So I'll link that down below too. I am an Amazon affiliate, and I don't know if this will be a SHEIN affiliate link because that's linked, but it'll have a SHEIN link down below too. So this is how it looks, and we'll just kind of shebang. It is not 1985, okay? Period. So I'm gonna let that cook, and this is just kind of how it looks. So. If you guys ever go to Whole Foods, they really do have a good little option. They actually changed a lot of stuff now, so they have like tikka masala, rice and some other kind of additive there that you can choose from. But I'm so thankful that they have these. $26.99, y'all. Like, go check it out. This is not sponsored. Like, go get this. Period. This part of the video is sponsored by Black Girl Vitamins. These are vitamins that I take every single day, you guys. I have the sea moss and the prenatal vitamins. The prenatal is for hair, skin, and nails. And I'm going to show you guys how they look. They taste really yummy. They actually have fish oil in it as well. So hopefully you guys click the link down below to try out Black Girl Vitamins. So of course on Sundays we have to take a shower. So I'm going in with this Dr. Bronner's soap. I like to use it under my arms. And I love this Method Cucumber Daily Zen body wash. I like to kind of rotate the different flavors of this body wash. And I also use EOS 24-hour moisture shave cream with my razor. You guys have had this razor for like a million years, and all you have to do is just pop off the head and just switch them out. It's the best thing. I get them from Target for $10. And my cute little loofah. We are gonna just do our skincare, and we have our CeraVe. I'm sorry, we have our Cetaphil here. So I use this, y'all. This is just my regular moisturizing CeraVe. It's fire for your face, and I just do 2 steps at nighttime. So this is gonna be my Neutrogena Hydrate Boost. I'm gonna have this link down below in the description box if you guys want to try this. The best, like, I promise you, like, the best moisturizer I've probably ever tried. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna go in with these two, and we are gonna do our Loops face mask as well. So the description on the back of this is, let me see. So I want you to apply it to clean and dry skin, apply it to texture on the side, leave for a second, and then yeah. So we're gonna wash our face first, and then we'll go in with our loops, and then we'll finish it off with our Neutrogena. So that's what we'll do. But you guys, I had so much fun yesterday whenever I went out. I went to this new place in Charlotte. I don't know if it's 100% new, but I went to this new place called Platform. Yeah, it was so many people in there, like so many people. Like, I don't know, wherever I go places, people like stare at me all the time, and that doesn't make me feel the best, but it happens. And I just have learned to be okay with it as I've gotten older, to just be like, okay, well, you know, people are just gonna stare at you, girl, no matter where you go. Just gotta be working how you do. Causing some problems. Okay. And y'all, so when I went out, like I said, everybody was staring at me, which is cool, you know, it's cool or whatever. But I'm just like, one day I just want people to like not do that. And then I get a text message from Steve Madden saying that they have the shoes in there. Y'all, people get so mad about stuff like that. If you're just intimidating for some reason, it's not a compliment. I feel like I don't want to be like intimidating. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Where has this been in my whole life? Oh, okay. I'm gonna go moisturize my lips, and we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. So let's go light a candle, and we're gonna leave this on, and we're gonna read our little book. So The first thing is gonna just be some virgin olive oil. I really love just regular virgin olive oil. I got this at the grocery store. It's purely organic and it feels amazing on your skin. And then I like to go in and mix it with Bath and Body Works. I have this Winter Wonderberry, or I'm sorry, Winterberry Wonder. That's what it's called. And I got this off season whenever they had like a sale, but I promise you, if you do find this brand that, or this flavor of lotion, y'all, everybody gives me compliments. And what, excuse me, like everybody's like, what is that? It smells so good. I'm like, y'all, it's like not even for this season, but I got it randomly like during the summer, so I really like that. And then sometimes as a pretty, you know, you want to feel pretty, I have these two fragrances that I mix together. So this is the Jo Malone English Pear and Sweet Pea. I have a small perfume for that one. And then if you mix it with Coco Chanel, this is Coco Chanel Noir, and they smell so good together. You put a little bit like behind your ear here, and then if you put a little bit like behind your knees, like, I promise you, you're gonna get so many compliments. I've been getting, just do it, I promise you. It's a little trick that I learned from someone said that Marilyn Monroe would do that. So I don't know if it's true or not, but one square behind each ear and then one square behind each, like me. You're gonna get compliments, I promise you. You guys, I know this is so scary. So I'm supposed to leave this mask on for about like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just show you guys like the book that I've been reading. Here's the book that I've been reading. It's called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I have it linked into my Amazon as well if you guys want to check it out. So it's a really good book. I'm about like maybe like a quarter of a way through, and the weirdest thing is I'm listening to it on audio and I'm reading it at the same time. I'm on different pages for each, so I can technically like read the book twice. If that makes sense. But yeah, I'm learning a lot right now from this book. So if you guys want to learn anything about changing your paradigm and changing your mindset and just like trying to pursue a different life, basically, check out this book, y'all. It's teaching me a lot, and I do a lot of different research about how to change your mindset and things like that. But we are getting, y'all, I'm super tired. I need to take a little rest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna wash this off camera, but don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos, you guys. I hope to see you guys in the next video next week. Bye.